This short training video demonstrates the My Wallet page. Each day, transactions will interface from Bank of America into PeopleSoft. These transactions are displayed and can be updated on this My Wallet page. For Team Card, we anticipate liaisons will use this page for two primary reasons. One, to change the expense type, and two, to apply use tax. However, please understand the only requirement for this page for Team Card is the correct application of use tax. To review and update these procurement transactions in the My Wallet page, navigate to Main Menu, Employee Self-Service, Travel and Expenses, My Wallet. Click Search and the cardholders assigned to you as a liaison will be displayed. Your ID may also be displayed. In this training environment, our cardholders are named cardholder 1, 2, 3, etc. And the liaisons are named liaison 1, 2, and 3, etc. Normally, this page will display the actual cardholder's name. So select a cardholder to display the Review My Wallet's Receipts page. On this page, all procurement card transactions that have not been assigned to an expense report are displayed. Additional filters are available at the top of the page. Simply change any of the search filters and click Search. To review transactions for a cardholder, select the card account number and click Search. Some cardholders have more than one card, so be careful to select the correct card account. This page displays the account number, the transaction date, the default expense type mapped from the merchant category code, the merchant interface from Visa, additional information entered by the liaison, attachments, and the transaction amount. In this training environment, all merchant names begin with the word train. These merchant names are interfaced from Visa and will represent the actual name of the merchant, such as Delta Airlines, Publix, or Avis Rental Car. Click on the expense type to open the My Wallet Details page. On the My Wallet Detail page, the default expense type can be changed. Please note, each transaction has been assigned a default expense type based on the transaction's merchant category code, or MCC. For Team Card, you may want to change the expense type to one of the 59 series expense types. You are not required to change the expense type. However, changing it here in the My Wallet Details page may reduce confusion when the expense report is created. Attachments can be added to the transaction, and this is a useful feature if your department requires individual receipts to be attached to the transaction. For Team Card, liaisons may want to wait and attach all receipts at one time to the expense report, and this will be explained in the Create an Expense Report video. Click the Enhanced Data link to see the purchasing details. If supplied by the merchant to Visa, the Enhanced Data page contains the detail information for each transaction. The Enhanced Data page will display differently depending on the expense type and the MCC. For example, airline charges may display the passenger name and the itinerary. You may also enter additional details about the transaction in the description. However, this is not required on the My Wallet page. You may want to wait until the expense report is created to describe the transaction. And finally, check use tax and select an office location if use tax is applicable. Use tax applicability must be applied here on the My Wallet Details page. Please be aware that some of the fields on this page can only be updated by an administrator, such as the Mark for Delete checkbox. Notice that we are updating one My Wallet transaction. However, we could scroll through each transaction using the scroll navigation at the top right. After updating the transaction or the transactions, click Save and return to My Wallet. Notice the transaction description and attachment link are displayed, indicating the transaction has been updated. Enhanced data may also be selected from this page, and attachments may be added also. This concludes this short video on the My Wallet page. Please review the next video, which demonstrates how to create an expense report.